I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a super easy doorbell unit? Then you need to check this one out. This is by SECRUI, and this doorbell was super easy to install. This is a plug-and-play system. So your button comes with either an option to attach it directly to your home with screws, or you can use the adhesive paper that it comes with. The doorbell also has 2 receivers, and these plug directly into your outlets. They have an awesome whopping 52 different chimes. Really amazing. It's loud and crystal clear when it gets rung, and you can put one chime on one and you can set up another chime on the other. So it makes for a really fun doorbell, but also you really can tell when someone is visiting your home. It works up to 1,000 feet, so we installed one right in our kitchen area and one way in the back of the home in the office. That way we always know when someone is nearby. If you're looking for a super easy unit so that you can have your doorbell ready for company, then you need to check this out. But that's just my point of view.